Lopunny, Friends in Paldea, Landing Mochi, Rescue Road, Suicune, Duraludon, Munkidori, Reverse, and a Espeon Holo. So 3 evolutions in Holo format.